Temperature increase or decrease? Decrease. So pressure will
Increase.
increase. So which one graph is right?
The first one.
The first one.
If it is decreasing, then the first one is. Next comes absolute humidity, relative humidity. What is the formula we are using for that? There we have done two formulas. So it's going to be two questions to find. You can use any formula. Depends upon what I have given you in the question. Whether I have given you absolute humidity or I have given you present amount of water vapor. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this question is here. Next comes instrument. What are the instruments we use to measure precipitation? Wind, speed, wind, direction. What else? Rain, pressure, and humidity. And what are the units that we use? For example, precipitation. What do we use to measure precipitation? Yes. Rain gauge. What are the units do we use to measure rain gauge? Centimeters or millimeters or inches. So we can use anything. Now next comes wind wave. Wind wave we use direction. North, south, east, west. How about wind speed? What is the instrument that we use to measure wind speed? It should be anemometer. And what are the units we use to measure wind speed? Knots, miles per hour, kilometers per hour. So depends upon question. Read the question and then answer the question. Next comes
I just need the audio.
atmospheric gases. How many gases are present and what are their percentage? Now, which gases in abundance? In abundance means the most present in the atmosphere. Which gas is it? Nitrogen. How many percentage? 70. After nitrogen, oxygen. How many percentage? 21%. After oxygen, carbon dioxide. How many percentage? 1% or 0.004%. Yes.
But if carbon dioxide is 1%, then everything else is 0%.
Yeah, zero. Like very negligible, but though it is present. Next, nitrogen cycle. Two questions for nitrogen cycle. Can be anything. Assimilation, denitrification, and as you know, I won't give you a direct question. Maybe I have given you something that is related to this. So what process is it? How that happens? Nitrogen fixation, all these terms. Next comes carbon cycle. The processes that are involved in carbon cycle: photosynthesis, combustion, respiration, decomposers, fossil fuels. If you remember the picture, just look into the picture that I have posted in the slides. Okay, yes.
Was there writing questions?
No, okay. All 40 questions. That is why you have more chances of getting low scores. Because if you have a wrong option, you won't get any points. But for writing, I am the one who is giving you points. Right? So I can give. So there is. That is the reason I am providing you a good guide. That rest is up to you. So here I have written as in slides. As in slides means the picture. Right? So in the picture, how it goes, your question will be related to that picture. Is that clear? Okay, next comes atmospheric layers. How many layers are there? Yes? 5. When we start from the top, which are not top, bottom, which one is the bottom layer? Yes, Namo? Troposphere. After that? Yes, Chokla. Stratosphere. After stratosphere? Mesosphere. How is it exosphere? Exo means exit. No, thermosphere. And the last one is exosphere. And if you do that, you will fail the test. Okay, next. Which layer have own layers.
What's later?
Have its own layers. Is there any layer that have multiple layers?
The
That
isosphere.
have convection? What is the stratosphere?
Yes.
Right? So now next comes what is tropopause? What is tropopause and where is it? It is between. It is a boundary between troposphere and stratosphere. Boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere. Boundary between stratosphere and thermosphere.
That must be.
How many questions? 4 questions. Yes.
And then does the whole between the atmosphere and
Again.
exosphere.
What is this? Between exosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay, next.
And what is exosphere? No, between exosphere and base.
It is the line that has a name. What do you call that? Karaman line? Karaman line. What is it like here? Yeah. Link is in the slides or there. Only just look for these things. No need to study other things. Just ignore that. Whatever I have written here, just study that.
You have to like Google.
Google?
Everything site will have.
Yes, that's it. If it's not there, I have written it. Just take this guy. Next, greenhouse effect. What is it? What are the gases? Which one is the most contributor towards greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
After
dioxide.
carbon dioxide, methane. After methane, nitrous oxide. After that, chlorofluorocarbons or water vapors. Right? So here I have written the percentage too. If you don't want to Google, you can just look here. Next comes clouds. Which one is horizontally layered? Which one is low level? Which cloud is middle level? Which level is high? Only these clouds that I have written here. Not more than that. Not more than that. Don't study or you won't remember anything. So here whatever I have written only that. And there, it's not that I have put all the clouds there. But maybe 2 or 3 clouds will be in your test. But I have given you an option. Right? We didn't study this one. This was in the video. So I put it there. Okay? It is also the cloud that forms very high in the mesosphere. Okay? Whether to the gray. If it is a cumulus cloud, what type of weather? Sunny. If it is nimbostratus, it means rainy. Nimbo means rain, stratum means horizontally layered.